Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Monday afternoon. We're here in San Nicolas Market here in Angeles, Pampanga, and we just arrived here. And later we're going to find some small apple. Let's go.
Shaira, same?
Yes.
Ask how much?
Magkano sa apple? Maliit? 50.
Only 50 peso. Okay, we can come back and yes, take a look another.
Hello, sir. Sir, can you serve for another?
So many Shaira, Filipina foods. А вот Shaira. А вот is cake, like cake, sweet. Ah, rice, it's rice cake.
cake.
Ah, different kind of rice cake.
It's rice cake.
What this one?
Rice cake.
Rice cake and this?
Same also.
Ah, same. It's all rice cake from the rice. But inside, what is inside?
Rice also.
Ah, also inside rice.
Yeah, it's all rice.
All rice, all from rice. It's sweet all? Sweet. Ah, also here. This name is called San Nicolas Market. Yes? А вот they sell. Good Fido. Huh?
Sausage. So many type of sausage here in Philippines.
So many type. Okay.
Yeah, they have rabbit.
Oh, rabbit, интересно. How much asking, Shaira? How much rabbit? Ну, ask.
Interesting, right?
Ну, интересен, how much rabbit?
Yung 500 na lang.
500.
Ah, 100. But you can, every day you can take grass? Huh?
That's okay.
You can?
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Yan, babae na lang.
Because we already have home
Babaks
for...
natin, may box.
Because we have already cover, right?
Aha.
It's okay. Meron kami cage.
Box na natin. Bigay ko na ng 500, 700 talaga.
500.
Mhm. Okay, we will think about this. Okay, thank you. So black rabbit 500 peso.
Two. 702 already.
2 pieces 700.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
It's female and male.
Female and male. But you want? Huh? Hi. Hi. How much this apple?
60, sir.
Ah, 60. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Kaya
Ayun, yung lumilyar.
sige. Tangian JY.
Ali, kita ka please do eh. Tangating stripe pa kay. Ikaw daw makanin.
Sige. Punta po, tasali ko.
What you say, Shaira?
Because I always buy cosmetic to their shop.
Ah,
And then I
about
said that-
cosmetic. I think about apple.
Oh.
No, have small apple. Also with strawberry apple. Shaira, his name is strawberry. This is strawberry apple. How much is?
180.
180. Okay, okay. Thank you. And this one? It's not a strawberry. What name?
Cherry Arion.
Cherry apple. How much cherry apple?
70.
70. Okay, okay. Thank you. We can take a look. Thank you. Shaira, you have strawberry apple and cherry apple. We want to buy cherry apple, yes?
Kita. Oh, shit. Don't have already here. Already vegetable.
We can. Peach. No, we can straight.
They call it the small apple. It's cherry apple,
Yes.
and the other one is strawberry apple.
Strawberry apple and cherry apple. Yes, I already know.
Maybe it's different because the cherry apple is too small and it's not ripe yet, and the strawberry apple is already red.
But I think same size and only price, different price.
No, it's different price.
And this is apple, Gala apple is 3 for 50. Yes. What you want to buy? Huh? Juice, it's named Juice.
Wala man to?
Gulaman, Shaira won't buy Gulaman.
Magkano? 10 isa. You want?
No.
Because I'm thirsty right now.
Okay. So this is about 350 milliliters. How much?
10 pesos only.
10 peso only. And this street is already also shopping. Market. This is also market or not? Barangay, Lodres,
Market, see market.
also market. Friday so many people here.
Already road to Nebo Mall.
Nepa Mall, okay, we can walk. Souvenir shop. Shoes. It's seller also here. I think it's handmade, Shaira. What do you think? Handmade?
Yes. They do it. I like that one.
Ah, you like this one? Okay. I remember before here close 6 o'clock, road close and so many shop in the road.
I want the what is this? The rabbit there.
Shaira, I can buy, it's not problem. But you can give food.
Da, it's okay.
Every day you need to go to take grass.
It's okay.
You can?
Da.
It's okay for me buy, but who can feed? You?
Me, yes.
Really? Okay, we can buy, no problem.
600 niya hanggang 500.
Yung dalawa o isa?
Dalawa.
500 to 600. The two already.
500 or
If you want
600.
to buy already right now.
Okay. No, okay, 500.
Kaya 500, okay lang?
Market.
Ano yan? Ilan? Isa? Magkano yung isa? 500. Sabi niya dalawa. Oo nga, dalawa. Dalawa.
O sige, nagyan na kaya. Wala na akong kaya. Hindi ako niya ako ang pinasapan.
It's also, not vegetable like this.
Yes, we
You
can
can
give
also-
vegetable, yeah. Okay.
Maybe my sister baby will gonna see it. She always go there to take a look.
Not problem. If she go to the, if she fit ready. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So not need to put in the box. Oh, this is.
No, you can hold. You can hold. Yes, we can put in the inside only apple. Okay, Shaira, you hold.
Ay, pagkami ako na yun.
Oh,
Hey, chat na kay. Thank you.
thank you. Okay, we will buy apple and go home. Okay.
Yan. Sigo out na doon. Sigo.
No, I will close like this. And have. Yeah. But in it air, Shaira, air little bit open.
Ay, uy. That's
Okay, thank you. Escalator only one way working, only down. It's good for exercise.
Why don't like steer? We arrived already in our home and take a look our rabbit right now.
Where we put?
We just put in the cage and also have grass. Near also have already grass. It's okay. So they're eating right now. They're so cute.
So you like rabbit?
Yes. The name of this white rabbit is Nikki.
Why?
My mom like it. That's why my
Ah.
mom named it Nikki.
Black?
I don't know what name. I will ask.
Shaira. Okay, joke
Do I
only.
look like rabbit?
Joke only.
It's so good.
If one have name, another need also name.
Tommy.
But why Tommy?
Tommy.
Why Tommy? Why?
Tommy, not Tony. Okay, Tommy.
Okay. Because you have before ex foreigner
Like rabbit.
Tony.
He look like rabbit.
Who? Okay.
It's Tommy, okay?
So you not forgot to feed rabbit, okay?
Yes, have near. You can also take lata in the river. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.